Folks, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. The time is 10:03 a.m. Just woke up, and yesterday was our Independence Day. Today is the 27th. So we ate our potato green yesterday. Early prepared nice green, and we ate that. You know, it was good. But I attended a party yesterday. Get together. Brother Sherry and his friends were together yesterday. We were able to get one goat. Can you imagine getting a goat for $50? Yeah, big goat for $50, and then I think we were 10%, yeah?
Roughly 10, yeah. 10
yeah, roughly 10%. We were 10%. I'm asking my brother, yeah, the total number we were yesterday. So this morning, and Ellie called me early this morning, see Ellie there. Ellie is killing see. Ellie, come on, say good morning to the family now.
Good morning, says Patricia, Loku, Victor Bomo, FSS Bomo.
FSS Bomo. Okay, that's Victor Dennis. Victor is Dennis.
Victor Dennis.
So, folks, we are preparing cassava this morning. I don't know how Ellie called it. Wow. It's on. Camera, 1 minute go off of the operation by itself. So now, Ellie, so that's what video can video the morning.
So, what do you want to face now?
GB.
Oh, GB?
Yeah.
Wow. Ellie is taking us to Niba County, folks. So the motor is ready. Yeah, clean. So now, pound it inside here. What? Anybody? I'm not seeing no pesto, no motor pesto. Okay. So all is set.
Wow.
Yeah. But Ellie, beating this thing here, so now because the way I want to apply my strength, apply my strength to the roof.
We're
not touch the roof? Okay. But I remember pounding this thing in the village once. It requires strength.
But you know that. There's a person in video. You beating it now.
Oh, so I should start beating it now, right? There's not many here.
Member.
Folks, you guys can join us as we still celebrating. Celebration still continue. But just like yesterday, Makuma last night called me, asking at the time we were eating a goat. We were roasting a goat rather. She said, why is Ellie? Why Ellie is not there? No, I'm not happy. Ellie is not with you. Ellie should have been there while you're roasting the goat. I was yeah, yeah. It was just a little get together, with friends. I think we were there up to 11. Yeah. Okay. And the tell about the cassava done good, right? Wow. From Bakado. Yes, that's how we are making it this morning.
You want to make it from there?
Oh, okay. We in the back at the Brapomofi wife, Maros. We are in the back at the. Yeah. That's right. Very good. Oh, okay. Dress your family away now. Yeah. Folks, you guys are really invited here.
And you see that he also video then he holding the model.
Yeah. No strength. No
No
strength. No strength. Fresh combo. Grab Dennis. Heron. Yeah, I'm holding it. As you can see, to be this. What about sweating?
Yeah. But yeah, very hard.
Try it sweating.
So yeah, now what?
Yeah. So how you can prepare this thing here? How you can prepare it?
Yeah.
The cassava processing. Or you only peel the cassava, you just boil it?
Just boil it.
And
then when you boil it,
yeah.
You put it like you see.
Okay.
So what it
It is the size.
Yeah.
Then you pound it. So you do your first wash it, right?
Yeah.
That's the process of washing the venison.
In the day of those things, the God of the heaven will set up the kingdom. That will never be destroyed, and his kingdom will never be passed.
So sometimes it can be having sand inside it.
Yeah.
So when you wash it like this, the sand can leave.
Yeah.
You can get the sand out. Okay. Wow. So you went to the market today to get this thing, or it's yesterday when you got it? Or this morning? Why you use the system?
Yeah. For all the minutes, not of now.
Okay, that's the same. So coming passionate. And then you beat it, right? Wow, that's a beautiful breakfast this morning. We're trying to prepare GB straight to Nimba County. Straight in Nimba County. Ellie is taking me straight to Nimba County this morning after eating good meat. But I was thinking of you, but you say you can eat good meat. Yeah. Because yesterday we were 10 pressing and we put $5 together. It was $5 each person contributed $5. So $50. This is the Venice. It's like we share the cooking today, folks. Never we share the cooking. Okay, no problem. I don't mind. So I need to come close while she prepare the soup. They are be there at the same time. You know, batching the Venice like this. We are batching it like this. We're taking a cool this morning, a GB with a cow skin. Sometimes fixing the yeah. Ellie and Brad sharing in the kitchen this morning. I told you right. I said Pastor Pastor Gossin and his wife sent you $10.
Wow.
And I also told you about your niece, right? Local.
Okay, the 10 I want to send for the booking, eh?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Pastor Gossin, thank you for all. I appreciate it. Thanks. You and your family, I appreciate it. Yeah,
They are also on YouTube. Pastor Gossin is on YouTube. I will show him to you.
Okay.
Yeah. And he encourages us a lot that we are doing God work, so we should continue what we're doing. I think she detract us from what we're doing, you know. You know, I like people that encourages people to do good work. Yeah. So, however, we are still inviting them.
Yeah.
We are still inviting them to.
Man, he said you invited them on you.
Okay, then. Okay. Okay, I'm going to invite Brother Roland Richard from.
And also not forgetting about Emmanuel too.
Wow. Ibrahim.
Yeah.
That Makumba son.
Yeah.
That's Makumba's son. Brother Email is based in the US too.
Yeah.
And so if you are preparing your GB, you bought the ingredients.
Yeah.
Then from there you sift it. Then before you start beating the okra, the bitter ball, the pepper, everything is in there.
Yeah.
Then while okay, as you can see now, what Ellie is doing. So these are the process required during GB. Then while the Tennessee too here is popping. Okay. But how can you tell that the Tennessee here have done? It will turn brown. So as they get brown, the which means okay, right? So Brother Sherry and Ellie, we are doing it together this morning. Yeah, as I'm here fishing, the other is their family too. You can join us this morning. Today is the 27th. We divided this morning. What she pounding and she making the other ingredients. Yeah, I'm here fixing the benefit here.
Today we are cooking about 50.
50, right?
Maybe 50, 35, but today no. 50. So now the Benesi is brown, so it's okay. Our folks are the GB is ready, as you can see. This is my table. Okay, very good. Eddie being a nice person. Yeah, Eddie being a nice person. So just prepare this morning. But I'm kindly inviting you guys to join me. Let's do this thing together. Eddie, both of us eating, right? That's all you do.
So just got through, then we can start. So conjugate this wrap together. I think I'm going to say I eat, you eat, or you eat, I eat. I don't know.
Yeah.
Folks, so now everything is just ready. So we're about to conjugate a wrap. Yeah, so everything. Ready, bring your water. So I need to wash my hand, right?
I need to wash my hands first. Okay. Wow. Great. Wow. So folks, you can enjoy all that eat. Yeah.
You find it?
Yeah, I'm recording it. You scared to take the big one?
No, I'm taking the big one.
Wow. All right, bye-bye. You don't want to join us. Bye-bye.